Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss the option for last 1 year, last 2 years, last 3 years, and so on using a slicer button in Power BI without DAX or Power Query. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. For the demo, I will add a few visual from the Power BI visual gallery. First, I will add a line chart. This is the line chart, and from the data model, I will add a sales date, and I'll remove a day and quarter, and now I'll say sum of total sales, and now I'll convert it into a month and year. Now here I will add a one matrix actually. Let me increase height, and here I will add a matrix. In the matrix I will add sales date again, and I'll remove quarter and day, and again I'll say sum of total sales. So as you can see, currently the data we have for 22, 23 and 24, 3 years data we have actually. And we will create three buttons, last 1 year, 2 years and last 3 years. To do this, what I am going to do, I will add a one slicer on the page, and here I will add a sales date. Okay, now I'll go to the setting, and in the setting I will convert into a relative date. So now you can see, let me increase the value. Now you can see this slicer, and here last 1 year, and from here I will select year as a calendar. So you can see the data from the January 2024 to December 24, last 1 years. Now I will go to the view, and in the view, first what I am going to do, I will click on the selection, and I will select this slicer, and I will hide it. Okay. Now I'll come to the bookmark, and in the bookmark I will add a one bookmark, and I'll name it as a last 1 year. Okay. The bookmark is ready. Now again I will unhide this slicer, and here I will add a 2. So now you can see the data from the 23 to 24, December 24. So it is a 2 year. Again I will hide this slicer, and again I will add a one bookmark, and here I will say last 2 years. Okay. Again I will unhide this slicer, and from here I will choose 3. Now 3, you can see the data from 2022, January 22 till December 2024. Okay. And again I will hide this, and again I will add a bookmark, and I will say last 3 years. Okay. Now we are done. I will close everything. Let it be, the slicer will be hidden. Now here I will go to the insert, and here you can see the button. Click on the button and come down, and here you can see the bookmark navigator. Just click on this. Now you can see here the 3 buttons are added actually. Let me increase the font size. Style. In style I'll increase the font size. Now I'll minimize this. So now you can see the 3 button, last 1 year, last 2 years, last 3 years. So once I will click on the last 1 year actually, so it will show me the data for 2024, because in the data set the 24 is the latest one. So let me click on this button. So you can see the data total sales for 2024, and it start from January 1st January and end at December January 2024 and end with December 2024. Now once I will click on the last 2 years, so you can see the data from the January 2023 to December 2024. So last 2 years, 23 and 24. Once I will click on the last 3 years, now we can see the data from the January 2022 to December 2024, 3 years. So this way you can easily add a year slicer, last 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, it depending on your requirement. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.